Hi, it's Oliver from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have a beautiful example of a Land Rover Range Rover Sport SVR. The vehicle is a petrol automatic and is finished in a stunning upgraded SVO Premium Blue. This Range Rover features 22-inch 5 split-spoke alloys finished in gloss black, along with red SV brake calipers. The car features plenty of carbon fibre accents, including wing mirrors, side vents and upgraded exposed carbon bonnet to help finish off that sporty look. The car has power folding mirrors and keyless entry, allowing you access to the vehicle whether the keys are in the bottom of your bag or in your pocket. We also have these pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights. As we head into the rear of the vehicle, we can see our rear privacy glass and electric tailgate. We have a rather large boot space where you could quite easily fit your weekly shop, a set of golf clubs or maybe a couple of suitcases. In the front of the vehicle, we are greeted with our multifunctional steering wheel, Cirrus and Ebony Leather sports style seats with SVR branding in the headrest. These seats are electronically adjustable and also feature memory function, allowing the driver to resume that perfect driving position. This Range Rover also features upgraded sliding panoramic roof, allowing for lots of natural daylight into the cabin and bringing the outdoors in. The car features Meridian surround sound system, allowing for perfectly crisp audio and listening experience. Rear seats also feature more of that Cirrus and Ebony Leather sports style seating, with a central armrest for passengers travelling in the rear that can quite easily fold up to make a fifth seat. Passengers travelling in the rear also have access to heated seats and their own dual climate controls, as well as a clear exit monitor. Heading over to our multifunctional heated steering wheel, we have our lane keep assist, cruise control and hands-free volume controls. This vehicle has done 21,565 miles and this is subject to change due to test drives. The car also features an upgraded head-up display to keep your eyes on the road while driving. On the touchscreen navigation system, we have our navigation, DAB radio and upgraded rear view camera. The car also features a valet mode in order to keep your personal address safe, along with a multitude of other options. This car features an ambient lighting mode in order to set the perfect interior lighting that is right for yourself. The vehicle also has easily accessible vehicle dimensions, aiding the driver when trying to fit into those tight parking situations. On our second screen, you can control multiple driving modes, along with your heated and cooled front seats, and easily accessible 3-zone climate control.
This vehicle comes with minimum 1 year's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For more information, call us on 01785 899 446 or inquire online now.